Differential. In an automobile, a differential is a critical component that enables smooth and efficient power transmission to the wheels, particularly during turns. What is a differential? A differential is a mechanical device that 1. Transfers power from the transmission to the wheels. 2. Allows wheels on the same axle to rotate at different speeds. 3. Enables vehicle to turn smoothly without dragging or skidding. How does a differential work? 1. Input shaft receives power from transmission. 2. Gear set, differential gears, transmits power to wheel axles. 3. Pinion gear and ring gear work together to distribute power. 4. Side gears and spider gears enable differential action. 5. Output shafts transmit power to wheels.